Rarely in life we decide on a map, or this map is decided for us. A point of view relative to what it's all about. And a terrible and a wonderful fact is that belief structures reality. Let me repeat that. Belief structures reality. Belief structures reality. Think of some of the belief routes that may have been inscribed on the cartography of your mind. Life is too hard. Life is honest. Do the good with the bad. You have to go through school to earn a living. Money is evil. All rich people are evil. Get married soon. Stop talking. Well, some of the beliefs. I know of a small girl, I think she was 6 years old. Her parents stupidly locked her up in the closet when she had behaved very independently. And then this kid was banging on the wall, was throwing herself on the ground and banging on the door. But after some time, there was a long silence. And then her mom was like, Joy, are you in there? Joy, are you in there? And then this girl all of a sudden burst out and she was like, I spit on your clothes, I spit on your gloves, I spit on your shoes, and now I want to come out so that I can spit on everything else. Well, that's an early form of independence. The problem is the route of the givens, whether given by parents or institutions or church or authorities or guardians, rarely leads to happiness. It belongs to a kind of attitude that comes from a long-held belief that life is circumstantial. We're given a set of circumstances and we have to find our way around or through them. And of ourselves, we can do little. That is the assumption. The assumption here is that of ourselves, we can do little. Actually, we can do nothing. But through the dependencies on our parents, guardians, institutions, we may gain a little later. But the problem is that it denies us our ability to find creative solutions to the predicaments of our lives and to more proactively create the life of our dreams, of our visions, the life we've been dreaming of. Now, what I'm saying to you is that the final route assumes that life is an art form. Life is an art form in which we learn to create beauty, create new patterns, find balance, and bring potentials into manifestation. One can live following the route of belief that the kingdom of heaven is not in some ephemeral afterlife, but right within our midst, waiting to bud forth. We can even agree with the great philosophers, the ancient great philosophers, that we have the powers of world-making, self-making, life-making. This is the route of routes, the path through the wonders of the kingdom. So we should stop living in the outskirts and start living in the kingdom. So from now on, I want you to rethink your route, rethink your beliefs, because they are holding you back. Thank you.